Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share a secret hack of mine of how to jazz up your gazebo canopy by adding a decorative trim. If you watched the perfect replacement canopy video, you know that the Garden Winds canopies only come in solid colors, as you see here. So if your original canopy had a two-tone color or decorative trim as seen here, it will not have the same design. But I have just the solution for that. So without further ado, let's get started. Items used for this project are scissors, industrial strength heavy duty stick-on Velcro, which I purchased from Home Depot, and the decorative trim you see here is from my original canopy. Before tossing the old canopy away, I was able to salvage the trim pieces, which were still in good condition. I can even use them as a pattern to sew a brand new trim in the future. Prayerfully, this video has been inspiring and giving you ideas on how you can jazz up your old or new gazebo canopy. Check out the other videos in the spring edition of my lawn care and backyard series. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.